Now children, let's start with chapter number first, the earth. Earth, it is the home planet where we all live. It is also called blue planet. Why it is called blue planet? Because the 70% of the earth's surface is covered with water. Now earth is home to all living things. Many different kinds of plants and animals live here. So far we do not know of any other place. We live on a planet earth, and thousands of years people believe that the earth was flat and had edges. Earth कैसी थी? Flat थी, उसके edges थे. And all living things need air, water to live. A layer of air called the atmosphere surrounds the earth. And thus the land and air are essential for life. The earth is therefore our home. और earth हमारा क्या है? Home. In 1590, Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese sailor, started journey from Spain and he sailed into some direction for 3 years. और वो एक ही डायरेक्शन में 3 साल के लिए घूमता रहा and reached the same place from where he had started. और वो उसी प्लेस पे पहुंचा जहाँ से उसने स्टार्ट कर रहा. So he only proved that earth is round in shape and it is not flat. और वो flat नहीं है. Then we have Ferdinand Magellan. He was the first man to sail around the world. So, thanks to science, a man has reached even the moon. Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin of United States of America were the first men to step on moon. ये पहला मैन था जिसने मून पे स्टेप करा था. और कब करा था? 1969. It took photograph of the earth from the moon and these photographs are also shown that earth is round in shape. और ये क्या शो करता है कि जो अर्थ है वो क्या है? राउंड इन शेप है. Then we have solar system, consist mainly of 8 planet and dwarf and their moon. And the sun is located at the center of the solar system. और जो आपका sun है वो कहाँ located है? Solar system के center में. Plants surround the sun and keep revolving around it, and moon surrounds the planet and rule around it. And the earth is one among the 8 planets of the solar system. और ये रूल का रिवॉल्व करता है एक फिक्स्ड पाथ पे जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ऑर्बिट कहते हैं. राइट, व्हाट वी कॉल देम? ऑर्बिट. सो स्क्वाड्रन लीडर राकेश शर्मा was an Indian Air Force pilot and the first Indian astronaut to go to space. और जो कल्पना चावला, she was the first Indian woman to travel space. ये पहली इंडियन वुमेन है जिन्होंने किस पे ट्रैवल करा था? स्पेस पे ट्रैवल करा. Next is the name of 8 planets. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. और प्लूटो आपका क्या है? Dwarf planet है. Every living things require oxygen. और ऑक्सीजन कहाँ है आपके planet Earth पर? If we stand on the top of the high building, we find the place where sky and land water seems to meet. जहाँ पे देखो आप कभी आप रास्ते में जा रहे हैं, आपको सकता है कि जो लैंड और स्काई दोनों मीट कर रहा है, तो वो वाला जो पॉइंट है उसको क्या कहा जाता है? हॉरिजन. If we move towards the horizon, it will move further away. In fact, the sky and the land water never meet. So the land water body is much bigger than a part of the land. Or water body we can see, and the place where land and the sea meet. यहाँ पे land और sea meet करता है उसको क्या कहा जाता है? Coast कहा जाता है. What it is called? Coast. Now the volume of the sun is 12,99,400 bigger than the volume of your earth, which is about 13 lakh earths come fit inside the sun. Then we have some keywords like atmosphere. It is the envelope of gases of the celestial world. Horizon, the line where earth seems to meet in the sky. And orbit क्या होता है? A path which is described where our planets revolve around the sun. It's our orbit. Hope you understood the chapter. Now we have completed the chapter. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.